Assalamualaikum students, how are you? I hope you all will be fine. I'm your science teacher. I am Shagufta Makbul. Please open this book of Cambridge Inspiring Science 1. Open page number 20. Today our topic is kinds of animals. Today our topic is kinds of animals. Animals have different shapes, sizes and body parts. Animals may be big or small. I told you in previous video these are small animals and these are very small animals. So we can say animals may be big or small. Animals may have 2 or more legs or no legs at all. Look at here, these animals, we can say these animals are small animals and these animals are very small animals. This is ant, louse, mosquito, housefly. Look at here, these are very small animals. Louse are very small insect that lives on the bodies or in the hair of people and animals. So these are called very small animals. Some animals have 4 legs and a tail. 4 legs and a tail. Most of these animals can run fast. Some animals like the kangaroos. Look at here. You are seeing here. I'm showing you pictures. These animals have, you are seeing, this is tail, a tail of these animals. And how many legs a horse has? A horse has 4 legs. 1 2 3 4 legs. You can say this is tail, and this is a tail, and these are legs and tail. This is kangaroo. We can say kangaroo can dash. This is picture of kangaroos, and kangaroos can dash, kangaroos can hop. Look at here, it's mean a short jump on one leg. A short jump on one leg. Next one you are seeing here, insects are here. In picture of insects are you are seeing picture of insects. Insects are here. These are insects. You are seeing these are insects. This is mosquito, cockroach, grasshopper and butterfly. These animals have 6 legs. Many insects have 4 wings, also have 4 wings to fly. A butterfly is an insect. It has 4 wings. A butterfly has 4 wings. A butterfly has 4 wings. This is grasshopper. This is grasshopper. This is cockroach and this is mosquito. A common small fly. Look at here, a large, you are seeing here mosquito of common fly. You are seeing small, we can say this is a small animal. This is called insect. This is also called insect. These are insects. A large insect, look at here, a large insect with long back neck that can jump very high. High noise using its back legs or wings. You are seeing here. You can see these are insects. Next one, animals. You are seeing here some animals. I am showing you pictures. You are seeing some animals are here. Worms, a small legless animal with a long, thin and soft body. You are seeing these animals. You are seeing here centipedes and caterpillars have many tiny legs. They crawl on the ground. You are seeing here, these are animals that can crawl, that crawl on the ground, have many tiny legs. Snakes and worms have no legs. These worms are legless animals. I already told you. You are seeing snakes, worms are here. These animals have no legs at all. They have a long tube-like body. They crawl on the ground. They crawl on the ground. These animals have many tiny legs. They crawl on the ground. Look at this is fish. Fish also don't have these fish also don't have legs. They have fins to swim in water. Fish has fins to swim in water. Now we are talking about birds. These are birds have 2 legs. You are seeing how many legs? Birds have 2 legs and 2 wings. Birds have 2 legs and 2 wings help them to fly. They have a beak to eat food. This is beak. You are seeing beak. Their body is covered with feathers. Their body is covered with feathers. Many animals have hair or fur on their body. Look at here. You are seeing fur, the thick hair that covers the body of some animals. The thick hairs that cover the bodies of some animals. Next, these animals are dog, lion, bear. These animals have hair on body, hair or fur on their body. Look at here. Some animals have scales on their body. Look at here. These we can say snake and fish. We are seeing snake scales here. We are seeing fishes here. We are seeing scales here. So we can say snake and fish have scales on their body. Insects have dashed legs. You are seeing pictures of insects are here. We can say these are insects. How many legs you are seeing on the body of insects are here? We can say insects have 6 legs. So you will write here 6 here. You will write here 6. I am writing here insects have dashed legs. We will write here SIX 6. Fish have dash to swim in water with the help of this is picture of fish. With the help of fins, fish can swim in water. Fish can swim in water with the help of fins. You will write here fins, FINS, fins. Insects and birds have dash to fly. Both of insects, which thing help both of insects and birds have dash to fly? We will write here wings. With the help of wings, insects and birds can fly. Snakes have dash on their body. We can say snakes have scales. SCALES, scales. Scales on their body. Okay students, you will have to complete these blanks like this way. Next one, you are seeing animals live in different places. So some animals live on land and some animals you are seeing lion, elephant, giraffe lives on land. This is trunk of this elephant. You are seeing here some of them live in the forest and some animals live on the land. So we can say these are land animals. And you are seeing here some animals live in fields or gardens. These animals live in fields and gardens. You are seeing here mongoose. Look at here, rat, lizard. Next one is you are seeing here these animals that live in fields or garden. This is squirrel. This is squirrel. And you are seeing some animals that we can see. We can say these are pet animals. These are farm animals, the animals that live on farm. Some animals are kept in houses as pet or on farms. Look at here. Cat and dog are pet animals. Hen, duck, goat, sheep, cow, buffalo, camel and horse, these are farm animals. Some animals live in water. So you are seeing these are water animals. Turtle, crocodile, fish. You are seeing some animals that are here. These animals live in water. Next one is most birds live on trees, but they spend most of their time flying in the sky. These animals spend most of the time flying in the sky. And some animals like ducks and swan can also live or live in or near water. You are seeing ducks and swan are here. Next one you are seeing here, some animals give birth to young ones. You are seeing this animal giving birth to young one, and this animal you are seeing dog, cat, hen is laying eggs, and this sparrow is laying egg. This bird is laying eggs. Next one, you will have to choose the correct answers. Cat, cow, lizard, and bear are a farm animal. Which animal is a farm animal? Cat, cow, lizard, bear. We can say a farm animal. Cow, C-O-W, cow is a farm animal. A pet, definitely cat. We'll write here C-A-T, cat, animal that lives in forest. This is lizard, L-I-Z-A-R-D, lizard, animal that lives in garden. Animals that lives in forest. This is bear. You will have to write here bear, B-E-A-R, bear. Next one, in an animal that lives in garden, you will have to write lizard, L-I-Z-A-R-D, lizard. Okay students, today you will have to read this lesson. After reading, you will have to complete fill in the blanks that are given on page number 22 and page number 24. After watching this video, if you are feeling any difficulty, you can discuss with me. Thank you so much.